Hello everyone, my name is Maria and I will be showing you how to get Title 24 Part 6 prescriptive forms. So before we get started, right in front of us is the EnergyCodeAce website. This is a really good website, really good resource to get any information on Title 24 Part 6. So I highly recommend it. I highly recommend to create an account. So let's get started. So in EnergyCodeAce, there's a tool that has a series of questions that you would answer based on your project so that it can generate a list of all the forms that you will need to fill out. So let's get started with that first. So you would go under Tools Ace and then you would select and Forms Ace, drop down the Show Tool Information. Then there's the 2019 Forms A's and 2016 Forms A's. You'll select the 2019 forms. In this case, we're going to start a new project, but let's say if you had already started a project, then you would just come back and modify an existing project. So we're starting a new project. For this video, I'm going to make up a project, so just to be able to create a list of prescriptive forms. So what is the occupancy type of your project? I'm going to say single family. What is your project name? I'm going to create a project name. Single. Okay. Again, this is all going to be based on your project. I'm going to say it's Arcata and zip code is 95521. Then I'm going to save my project and continue. So the next question is, which energy code compliance option will you be using? We're going to say prescriptive. What is the scope of your project? There is alteration and addition, new construction, and major renovation. This is going to be based on your project. So mine, I'm going to say it's new construction. I'm going to save and continue. So the first series of questions it's going to ask is based on envelope. So again, this is all you want to answer these questions as precise as possible to your relating to your project. So let's say in my project, envelope. Is the project using exterior shading to meet standard requirements for SHGC? I'm going to say yes. Is the project using the default for U factors and SHGC from NA6 equations? Yes. Is the project calculating U factors for a mass while using equations 4-4 from J4? Yes. So in case if you don't know what this NA6 equations or what the J4, you can get these in EnergyCodeAce. You can go on a search bar, or like if you play around with it, you can get these forms or you can get this information if you're not sure. Then it's going to ask you some questions based on your HVAC. I'm going to say, are you changing or repairing any HVAC equipment? No, because it's new construction. Are you replacing or installing 40 feet or more of air duct? I'm going to say no. Are you installing an entirely new HVAC system? Yes. What type of system are you installing? Now, I have dropped down the menu and for some reason it doesn't show any drop down list. So even if I try to type in, it will just get rid of it, or for some reason it's not showing. So let's just ignore that for now. Select which verification approach you are taking. I'm going to say this system is Douglas. It's like, we're going to say it's a mini split, or yeah. So then the next thing you want to do is answers which of the following apply to your HVAC unit or component. I'm going to drop down the menu and let's just say it's a newly installed single zone speed compressor. central fan ventilation cooling system. Let's say yes. Select which verification approach you are taking. We're saying that the system is ductless, newly installed single zone compressor. We answered that question already. And then the next is, will this project add, alter, or replace part of the ventilation? No. Will this project add, alter, or replace the hydronic system? No. So let's go on to the next questions, which are lighting. Are you installing lighting system or controls? And say yes. Water heating. Will this project install a solar water heating system? I'm going to say no. Would this project include a hot water distribution system? Yes. Will your project take performance credit for any of the following? Pipe insulation, verified design, multifamily security. I'm going to say pipe insulation. Will this project have a pool or spa? We're going to say no. Is this solar ready? Will this project include PV? Yes. Will this project include a solar hot water system? I'm going to say no. And then will this project include a battery storage system for compliance credit? I'm going to say no. Oh, actually, let's just say yes. It's just a made-up project. Save and continue. Oh, there's a missing question. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So is your project a single family or multi-family project? Let's see, single family. And then save and continue. So then here it is. Here's a list of all the required prescriptive forms that you will need to fill out. Now, if you're going prescriptive for the entire building, you will have to fill out all these forms. But let's say you're just going prescriptive on like HVAC or domestic hot water, and then say HVAC. Then you will only select the forms that are regarding to mechanical. So in this case, you would select anything that says MCH. So all these forms, MCH-01C-E, then you would select all these forms to fill out. So let's just go, for example, let's try to get these forms. So now what you want to do is click on Dynamic PDF. It's going to take you straight to California Energy Commission website. And then now this is where you will download the form that you need, all the forms that you need. So I'm just going to say, okay, well, single family, attached, detached, ventilation. So I'm going to click on this, and then you will save this form onto in your computer, and then you will edit it in computer. And that's how you get prescriptive forms, Title 24 prescriptive forms. I hope this was helpful.